Hello, my dear children. A pleasant good morning to you all. How are you, everyone? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Jayanti. I am your science teacher. Are you ready to start today's session? I hope you all are ready for your today's class. Before starting today's class, let's take a small recap of our previous class. Now we are learning the block Our Teeth. In that block, we already completed the learning plan 1 and 2, that is, parts of tooth and types of teeth. What are the parts of tooth that we learned? Crown and root. Crown is the visible part of a tooth and root is not visible. In crown, there are three parts: enamel, dentine and pulp. Enamel is the hardest part of our tooth. Dentine is a bone. It is below the enamel. And pulp lies below the dentine. It is very soft and full of nerves. What are the parts of tooth? Repeat after me. The parts of tooth are crown, enamel, dentine, pulp and root. Have you understood? Next, types of teeth. What are the types of teeth we learned? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The incisors are in the front of the mouth. Incisors are sharp. Canines are sharp and pointed. The premolars have a flat biting surface and molars are the largest of the teeth. Molars have a large flat biting surface. We have 32 teeth in their permanent set, that are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. So, these are the topics we discussed already in the block. Now, bonus question of the day. Your today's bonus question is, which teeth do you use to grind and chew? Which teeth do you use to grind and chew? Let's begin today's class. What are the differences between milk and permanent teeth? Have you know about milk teeth and permanent teeth? Okay, let me say. Look at the table. There are differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth. The first point is, the milk teeth appears between 6 to 24 months. The first tooth starts to appear when we are around 6 months old, are called milk teeth. Permanent teeth are to replace milk teeth. It begins between 6 to 24 years. Next, milk teeth are smaller, weaker and it is temporary. It looks smaller and weaker than the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth are stronger. Next, number of teeth. Totally 20 milk teeth in our mouth. 10 each in the upper and lower jaw. Similarly, 32 permanent teeth in our mouth, 16 each in the upper and lower jaw. The whole set of 20 milk teeth is visible in the mouth by about 3 years. In the set of milk teeth, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 molars. Similarly, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars in the set of permanent teeth. Totally we have 20 milk teeth between 6 to 24 months and 32 permanent teeth between 6 to 24 years. These are the differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth. Why do we have different types of teeth? What if we had only one type of teeth? As I said in previous class, if we had only one type of teeth, we would not be able to eat different kinds of food properly. So today our aim is to identify functions of different types of teeth. To identify the functions of different types of teeth. Functions of teeth. Keywords are biting. Biting is a common behavior involving the opening and closing of the jaw. Next keyword is chewing. Chewing is a process of food is crushed by teeth. Biting is a common behavior involving the opening and closing of the jaw. And chewing is a process of food is crushed by teeth. Resources. Needed resources for today's class are a slice of apple, carrot and a mirror. I hope you all are ready with these resources. If any of you don't have apple, you can take banana or corn. Now take the mirror, carefully observe which teeth are being used to eat the apple. Similarly, eat the carrot and observe which teeth are being used to eat the carrot. Put the video in pause, eat a slice of apple and the carrot. Observe which teeth is used to eat the food and write it down in your notebook. I hope you have completed your activity. Now tell me which teeth were used to eat the apple and carrot. Which teeth did you use to bite the apple? Yes, you are right. Incisors were used to bite the apple. And which teeth do you use to bite the carrot? Yes, canines are used to biting the carrot. To bite the apple, incisors are used. And canines are used to bite the carrot. If any of you took a banana or corn, incisors are used to bite. Premolars and molars are used to chew the apple and carrot. Similarly, banana and corn. Next, why do we need different types of teeth? As we discussed already, we have different types of teeth to eat different kinds of food. What are the functions of different types of teeth? As I said earlier, incisors help in biting the food, canines help in tearing the food, premolars help in chewing the food, molars help in chewing and grinding the food. Now tell me, which teeth will you use to drink milk? Do you need teeth to eat any liquidy food? You are right. We don't need teeth for eating liquidy food. We don't need teeth for drinking milk. Next, Heart's question. Which type of animals will have canines? Which type of animals will have canines? Okay, let's discuss. What is the function of canines? Yes, canines used to tear and hold the food. Now tell me, which type of animals need to tear the food? Some of you say that lion, tiger, and some of you say that human. Right. Animals that eat meat have to tear the food. Animals that eat meat need to tear the food. So, carnivores and omnivores will have canines to tear the flesh of animals they eat. What is carnivores? An organism that only eat animals called carnivores. Omnivores. An organism that eats plants and animals called omnivores. Next, worksheet questions. Which type of teeth will be used to eat these food items? First one, banana. Which teeth do you use to eat banana? Which type of teeth used to eat the meat? Which type of teeth used to eat bread slice? Similarly, which type of teeth used to eat the pomegranate? Take a mirror. While eating this food, observe which teeth is used to eating the following food and write it down. Next question is, which teeth would you use to eat corn? What are the functions of these teeth? Which type of teeth used to eat the corn? To bite the corn, incisors are used and premolars and molars to grind and chew the corn. Next question, a cow eats plants. Which type of teeth does it use to eat its food? To eat plants, which type of teeth is used? Yes, you are right. Incisors are used to bite the food and molars are used to chew. So, cow uses its incisors to bite food and molars to chew. Next, practice questions. What are the functions of different types of teeth? What are the functions of different types of teeth? Next question is, what is the difference between the set of milk and permanent teeth? What is the difference between the set of milk and permanent teeth? Study your content book carefully and answer these questions. It's time to finish now. Let's recap today's topic. Today we learned about the functions of different types of teeth. What are the functions of different types of teeth? Incisors used to bite and cut the food. Canines used to tear and hold the food. Premolars used to chew the food. And molars used to chew and grind the food. These are the functions of different types of teeth. That's all for today. Do your homework regularly. Don't forget to get a sign from your parents in the planner. And don't forget to do the bonus question of the day. Do the Hearts question and practice questions in your notebook. Do the worksheet questions in your workbook. In your content book, read the next topic, that is ways to take care of teeth. We are going to see this topic tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Have a good day.